This tutorial is for first grade, Module 1, Lesson 27. In Lesson 27, we're going to continue using the counting on strategy to solve subtraction problems and then relate those subtraction problems to addition problems. The first problem shows 4 minus 3. I have a number path at the top of the page that can help me with the counting on method. So to do this, I'm going to start with the number that I'm subtracting. So I'm going to start with the 3. I'll circle the 3, and I'm going to see how many hops it takes me to get to 4. So I start on the 3. I circle it as a reminder that I don't want to count the 3. I'm going to count how many hops it takes to get from 3 to 4. So if I hop once, that tells me that 3 and 4 are one space apart on the number path, and it also tells me that 4 minus 3 equals 1. I'm going to relate that to an addition problem. I'm going to show the two numbers that I can combine to equal 4. So again, if I start with the number I circled on my number path, that would be 3, and I hopped one space to get to the 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4, and that addition problem can help me solve 4 minus 3. Next, we'll solve 6 minus 2. I'll start with the 2 on the number path and see how many hops it takes me to get to 6. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4. It took me 4 hops to get to the 6. That means that 6 and 2 are 4 spaces apart on the number line. To show the addition problem, I'll show exactly what I did on the number path. I started on 2, I hopped forward 4 places, and I landed on the 6. Let's look at one more example. Here I have 7 minus 3. I'll start on the 3 on my number path, circle it as a reminder that I'm not going to count the 3. See how many hops it takes me to get to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. That tells me that 7 minus 3 equals 4. To show the related addition problem, I would just record what I did on the number path. I started at 3, I hopped forward 4 spaces, and I landed on the 7. So again, one way to learn our subtraction facts is to relate it to our addition facts, showing how far apart numbers are on a number path.